All right, guys, good morning. So I'm recording this video today to help walk you through how to find tax, tip, and discount. So we're looking at some real-world contexts for percents. So just to back up, because there's a chance that I might be out for a few days, I wanted to show you guys how to find everything in here because there were some questions. So when you come into class, I'm going to be posting the slides every day like I usually do. So I would open up the slides here. This is what they look like for today. So you'll see, oh, I have to complete this 10.1 Notice and Wonder assignment. Gives you the directions there. I'll let you do that on your own. Then, if I go back to classwork, you'll see in the assignment for January 11th, it says complete 10.1, watch video. That's what you're doing right now. So in this video, we are going to walk through the assignment after price of sunglasses. So we're going to just get right to that. So you'll complete this part on your own, and you'll see I have it open up in Kami, and then we're skipping right over this part into 10.4. So we're going to do this together. You can open it up in Kami yourself. You already have access to the assignment. You can fill it out as I am, or you can just write it on paper. It's completely up to you. So dining at a restaurant. Jada has a meal in a restaurant. She adds up the prices listed on the menu for everything they ordered and gets a subtotal of $42. So that word subtotal is important there. When the check comes in, it says they also need to put $3.99 in sales tax. What percentage of the subtotal is the sales tax? So sales tax is something that's added onto the total, right? It's money that you have to pay for a good or service, like an extra amount of money. So this represents a percent increase. So percent, and bear with me, I haven't done the Kami in a while, percent increase. So it says what percentage of the subtotal is the sales tax. So here's our subtotal, $42, and our sales tax is $3.99. So we're going to use that is over of equals percent over 100 here. Is over of equals percent, oh, this is tricky, over 100. All right, so it says what percentage of the subtotal. So of, that tells me that my subtotal, that $42, is going to go on the bottom of my proportion. And I don't need the 0.00 because that doesn't make a difference. Is the sales tax. So that $3.99 is going to go on top. My 100 goes on the bottom. And my percentage is what I don't know. So I'm going to cross multiply and divide to figure that out. Let's get out my calculator. 3.99 or 3.99 times 100 divided by 42, and I get 9.5%. So same concept as before. We just really am trying to figure out what that word sales tax means, but it's all in the little receipt right here. All right, let's move on. After tax, the total is $45.99. What percentage of the subtotal is the total? So the subtotal is before that sales tax is added. The total is after that sales tax is added. So it's been a percent increase. So I'm going to look at of the subtotal is the total. So here's my proportion. Of, that goes on the bottom, so the subtotal is on the bottom again, is the total. So $45.99, it's right over here. My 100 goes on the bottom, and we're still trying to find what the percentage is. Don't know this part. Same thing, cross multiply and divide. Now, notice that the $45.99 is larger than the 42 because that's after a percent increase. So our percentage should be greater than 100. So I'm going to do the cross multiplying and dividing here. The video is going to cut me off. I will pause this and start a new video.